Hate cleaning windows? Let a robot do it for you. These top 5 electric window cleaners will leave your glass spotless. No ladders, no streaks, no effort. Whether it's your home, office, or high-rise apartment, cleaning windows doesn't have to be a hassle. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best electric window cleaners in 2025. All smart, safe, and designed to make glass sparkle effortlessly. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Ecovacs Winbot Mini. The Winbot Mini is a compact and powerful window cleaning robot with dual ultrasonic spray nozzles, smart navigation, and a 9-stage safety system to prevent falls and slips. Pros: ultrasonic spray for deep clean and no streaks. 9-stage safety system with anti-slipping tech. Smart path planning for full coverage. 3 cleaning modes: quick, deep, and spot. Why it's great: it's one of the safest and smartest window bots on the market, perfect for high glass or large patio doors. Number 2. Water Spray Window Cleaning Robot. This robot comes with advanced edge detection, making it ideal for frameless windows and marble surfaces. The automatic spray system keeps your glass wet and clean throughout. Pros: great for frameless glass. Auto water spray plus microfiber cleaning pads. Easy suction for vertical or horizontal use. Reliable safety rope for high installations. Why it's great: a reliable entry-level robot cleaner that handles odd-shaped or edge-sensitive surfaces with ease. Number 3. ULAX 2.0 Window Cleaner. With dual cross-spray nozzles and upgraded path planning, this version 2.0 from ULAX delivers a faster and more efficient clean, even on large glass surfaces. Pros: dual cross-spray for wider spray coverage. 6 cleaning paths for custom glass sizes. App plus remote control included. Edge detection plus safety suction. Why it's great: best for large homes or offices. A smart, app-controlled cleaner with serious surface coverage. Number 4. Mamabot Window Cleaner Robot. This powerful unit features automatic water spraying, anti-fall edge detection, and both remote and app controls. Great for tiles, mirrors, windows, and even bathroom walls. Pros: ideal for multi-surface cleaning. Intelligent path planning. Anti-fall detection system. Works with remote or mobile app. Why it's great: if you want one robot for multiple surfaces, this is your go-to model. Tiles, mirrors, glass, all handled. Number 5. ULAX Dual Spray Window Robot. This ULAX model boasts powerful 3000 Pascal suction, strong enough for even vertical floor-to-ceiling windows. With dual water spray and a quiet motor, it's efficient and discreet. Pros: strong 3000 Pascal suction power. Dual spray keeps surface wet and clean. App plus remote operation. Auto edge detection for smart navigation. Why it's great: it's the best option for tall windows and apartments with a view. Cleans deep, grips tight. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. If you're tired of streaks, ladders, or sore arms, these top 5 electric window cleaners are smart, safe, and built to keep your home spotless with minimal effort. Like this video if you found it helpful, comment which model you'd try, and subscribe for more hands-free home tech reviews.